Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, then welcome. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be trying on the MANIERE de Voir clothing haul on this brand. With it being, quite casual now at the moment, 2020, 2021 is more loungewear. I have got a few pieces that I ordered from this site. I actually would never purchase from this website ever. Francis ordered a lovely tracksuit, so I popped on myself and purchased a few items as well. So in today's video we're going to be doing a small MANIERE de Voir haul anyway, so I do hope I pronounced it okay. One of the first items that I've ordered was a tracksuit. Now I am wearing this tracksuit. I will insert a clip of me wearing this. With this tracksuit, it's really nice fitted. It's grey with the cream and white, but it's really nice and light clothing. With tracksuits, I don't really like to wear them, but as you can see, you've got the logo, the MDV with the lining in it in grey, silver detailing on the little clasps. It's really detailed on the tracksuit, on the zip. You've got the MDV. It is a crop top. Now with crop tops, I'm not really into it, I'll be honest. But with this, because the jogging bottoms are so high, it's really flattering. You can have it open, as I have, or you can have it tightly fitted. It's completely up to you how you want to wear them. That was the first tracksuit that I bought from the MANIERE de Voir website. So the next item that I purchased was a men's hoodie. Now I have already worn and washed this hoodie. So it's the grey men's medium one. Don't know if you can see it here, but it's just a basic grey hoodie, and it's got the detail of lining all the way down at the side, and the detailing that it has there is just the logo of them. I will pair that with just a basic pair of black leggings, as I will show for you in the next clip. Right, so the next item, I haven't worn these ones yet. The top that I purchased was the Machiavelli white basic top. This is a 6 and it is still quite big on me. A lot of the clothes on the website are monochromed with different, whether it be cream and white or black and white. They are quite a funky style as well. Some of the items are fitted and the other ones are quite baggy. So with these tops, I did think it would be a little bit fitted, but again, I still like the room. I'm not bothered about it. It's all about lounging and chilling out at the minute, and just being able to throw it on and be comfortable, which they do. So on the back of this top, you have got Tupac and Marilyn. Really like this one. The detail on the top as well. They also have the brooch here, as you can see. Again, the t-shirt is really good quality material. It's thick, but it's not too thick, so it's not a cheap disposable top, which you can pick up for at least £30 and it's just not going to be good quality. It's really stretchy and figure hugging if you wanted it to be, but again, because I'm quite petite, it literally just falls off me. So I would team this item up, which you will see with a black pair of leggings, or you can have cycling shorts, jeans, leather pants. This will literally go with anything for the summer. The next top that I purchased was the long suspended detailed top. It's a long top silhouette with long sleeves, and halfway up the sleeves you've got this mid split. And here you've got the underbust paneling with leather detailed, which is really lovely. I really like this about the top. It's really figure hugging, and halfway up it's a mid turtleneck. You have the suspended details at the hem. I really like this top. It's so lovely and fitted. I would pair this with black leather leggings. Here, as you can see at the back, it's got this silver detailed opening with a zip. I just really like this top. It's so flattering. I'm happy that I brought it. That is everything in today's haul. I do hope that you like this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye guys.